By the numbers, how and where Mamdani won the primary. Assembly member Zorman Mamdani, D. Queens, rode a wave of strong support from his home borough and Brooklyn L route to his apparent and stunning upset victory over former Governor Andrew Cuomo for the Democratic mayoral nomination Tuesday. Though first round votes are still trickling and tabulation will proceed past multiple rounds should no candidate earn a majority outright. Data from the New York City Board of Election provides insight into which boroughs and districts may have won Mamdani the hotly contested nomination. Here's a breakdown of the numbers from what we know so far. Brooklyn comes out strong for Mamdani. Brooklyn, the most populous borough in New York City with over 2.6 million residents, was Mamdani's strongest borough with 48.77% of tabulated votes so far being for the assembly member. Cuomo came in far behind with 31.60% of reported votes. And city controller Brad Lander, who endorsed Mamdani as part of a ranked choice voting strategy, appears to be coming in third with 11.94% of votes. City Council Speaker Adrian Adams is projected to earn about 3.61% of the Brooklyn first round vote, while State Senate Zellner Myrie is set to take roughly 1.42%. Formerly City Controller Scott Stringer is expected to take 1.12% of the Brooklyn vote, and all other candidates pull below 1% in the borough. The Bronx backs Cuomo. While over 96% of scanners reporting Cuomo dominated in the Bronx and is projected to earn 52.54% in the first round of voting, Mamdani came in far behind in second with a projected 34.24% of Bronx votes, and Adams is set to come in third with 5.1% of the vote, making the Bronx the Speaker's strongest borough. Behind Cuomo, Mamdani, and Adams, Lander came in fourth with 3.51% of projected votes, and Stringer is set for fifth with a projected 1.44%. Mamdani takes Manhattan. Of the 95% of scanners reporting, about 39.11% of Manhattan voters in the Democratic primary put Mamdani at the top of their ballot. Cuomo is set to take about 33.95% of the borough, with Lander coming in third at 17.46%. Manhattan appears to be Lander's strongest borough, and the comptroller performed best on the Upper West Side. Adams is set to take about 3.74% of the Manhattan vote, with Stringer earning 2.38% Tilson taking 1.39%, and Myrie earning about 1.1%. All other candidates are polling below 1% as of Wednesday afternoon. Queens breaks for Mamdani. Projected to take 46.12% of the Queen's vote, Mamdani appears to have won the borough handily. Cuomo is projected to earn about 38.70% of the Queen's vote, with Lander taking 6.28%. Adams is projected to earn 5% of the first choice votes in Queens. Stringer is set to take 1.5%, and all other candidates are projected to poll below 1% in the first round in Queens. Cuomo wins Staten Island. The borough with historically the lowest participation in the Democratic primary, Staten Island is set to favor the former governor with roughly 46.49% of its votes, with over 98% of scanners reporting. Mamdani is projected to come in second with 37.45% of votes on Staten Island, and Lander is set for third with 5.98%. Adams is projected to come in fourth on Staten Island with 4.39% of the primary vote, and Stringer is expected to take about 2.68%. All other candidates were polling below 1% as of Wednesday afternoon. That's all I have to say for this video.